Hello, I'm Yvonne. I'm going to share about petroleum exploration, imaging the reservoir. First, you need to know the properties of petroleum system. It consists of 5 major elements which are source rock, reservoir rock, migration path, trap, and sill with different density and properties. In the past, surface features provided initial clues of shallow hydrocarbon deposits. Today, a series of geophysical surveying technologies utilize the difference in density and property of major elements of petroleum systems to trace potential energy source within the Earth. There are 3 main geophysical methods, which are magnetic, gravity, and seismic survey. The non-seismic gravity and magnetic methods are used in early exploration to identify prospective locations, especially faults and oil deposits. These methods are relatively inexpensive, quickly cover large areas of ground, non-invasive, non-destructive, and passive, which no energy is needed to be put into the ground to acquire data. Gravity surveying measures variations in the Earth's gravitational field caused by the differences in the density of subsurface rocks. Denser rocks have greater gravitational attraction. The equipment used is the gravimeter. Magnetic surveying measures variations in the Earth's magnetic field due to the changes of structure or magnetic susceptibility of rocks. The equipment used is called gradiometer or magnetometer. Airborne gravity and magnetic surveys were developed and classified as remote sensing techniques. The advantages are the speed of surveys and the possibility of reaching inaccessible areas. Seismic surveying is the most important of the 3 main types of geophysical prospecting. Seismic surveys produce detailed images of the various rock types and their location beneath the Earth's surface. The fundamental principle is to initiate a seismic pulse at or near the Earth's surface and record the amplitudes and travel times of the reflected or refracted waves from the interfaces of layers of rock, just like an ultrasound for a baby in mother's womb. Onshore operations use specialized trucks that carry a heavy clay that is vibrated to generate a seismic signal. The returning acoustic waves are recorded on jawphones arranged in groups. The signals are transmitted from the jawphones along cable to the recording truck. For offshore operations, a seismic vessel acts as the controller. The seismic sources uses compressed air via a gun to produce acoustic energy. The hydrophones capture the returning sound waves. Can you remember what are the equipment for onshore and offshore seismic? For onshore, vibrating truck is the seismic source and the jawphones are the receivers. For offshore, air guns are the seismic source and the hydrophones are the receivers. For geophysical imaging, after data acquisition, data needs to be processed and modeled to generate a final image of the 2D and 3D geological subsurface map of an exploration site. With a series of visualizing and interpreting the models of results, gravity, magnetic survey results, 2D and 3D seismic models, and even with the newest technology of 4D and full wave inversion, the highly possible location of oil and gas accumulations are concluded by the geophysicists. Voila! And we are ready to drill.